I got into dentistry because I was better in science than I was in other things, and I had an uncle who was a dentist, and he seemed to enjoy it, and I enjoyed working with my hands. So it seemed that I was going to go somewhere into the sciences, whether it be medicine or dentistry, and working with the hands more led me into the dental field. So, plus the influence of a neighbor dentist and my uncle. I attended John Carroll University in Cleveland for a year, and then I transferred to Notre Dame in Indiana. And then I attended after that. I went to the University of Michigan for dental school. Continuing education is a big, huge part of dentistry, and it always has been and always will be. Things change so much every year that if you're not taking a lot of continuing education, you're going to be left behind, and you're going to be underserving your patients and not being really fair to them in the treatment of your patients.